Intelligence is the future. Nowadays, the intelligent industry develops rapidly. Fosun Supertime Technology Co. Limited, as a supplier of the solution to global vehicle intelligent mechatronics, it walks in the forefront of intelligence, leading the innovative development of automotive intelligent mechatronics. Fosun Supertime Technology Co. Limited was founded in 2015. It is a high-tech company that focuses on development, manufacture and selling, specializing in automotive intelligent mechatronics. Supertime is located in Fosun City, Guangdong Province, with superior geographical location and convenient transportation. It covers an area of more than 30,000 square meters, and the workshop is more than 4,000 square meters. Supertime has a variety of automated production, intelligent manufacturing equipment, and standardized dust-free workshop. We have passed the IADF 16949 certification. The company regularly organizes workers to exchange and learn about production, standardize production and continuously optimize processes. We also conduct regular assessments on employees. All workers are certified before they can take up their posts after passing the assessment. We have many senior engineers who can independently complete the structural design, software development, data interaction, and backstage building. Cooperate with many universities to share the research and development results. Fosun Supertime Technology Co. Limited mainly provides the application and expansion technology of automotive intelligent mechatronics. Based on the automation and intelligence of car doors, it develops industrial layout around tailgate, sliding door, side doors, and cloud-controlled car products. After 3 years of technology immersion, the smart door we launched is a new project that integrates multiple high-tech technologies such as drive system, suction system, control system, intelligent cloud control, etc. It is an intelligent product with functions, safety and cloud interaction, making the remote opening of car doors a reality. Smart cloud-controlled car is a control system that uses mobile phones to replace the original car keys to control some functions of the vehicle. It can realize unlimited distance interaction between the car and the computer, completely independent of the car key, and truly realize remote control of the vehicle through the phone app. Supertime has been deeply involved in the domestic market for many years, established marketing outlets covering all provinces in China, and has begun to look forward to the vast overseas markets. We have close cooperation with automobile manufacturers such as Changan, Baojun, Volkswagen, and Kia. Supertime has extensive experience in precision hardware, plastic design and has obtained more than 10 patents in the field of automotive intelligence, more than 30 utility model patents, and more than 20 appearance patents.
Supertime always pursues the attitude of continuous improvement, adhering to the concept of quality to ensure a comfortable life for people and cars. It aspires to become a high-tech enterprise at the forefront of the field of automotive intelligent doors.
Supertime, the creator of automotive intelligent mechatronics.